Supermaly 600kw Doosan diesel generator set. Selecting Doosan diesel engine imported from South Korea's power source. Emission has good power performance, safety, low fuel consumption and reliability. Operating quality and exhaust emissions currently meets international standards on those characteristics. Pure copper, brushless generator, advanced automatic voltage regulator, standard maintenance free select bearings, and sufficient top power. Automatic control screen. You can choose menus to automatic start. Simplify complex control. This near the radiator and soundproofment of materials greatly improve heat dissipation performance and enjoyability. Shandong Supermaly Generating Equipment Corporation Limited.